Hello and welcome! In this How to Draw video, we'll be drawing Edmond Elephant, who is the younger brother to Emily Elephant and also a friend to George Pig as well. So that's who we're going to be drawing today. Edmond Elephant, the very clever clogs,
Clever clogs.
That's right. Alright, so you ready to get started?
Of course.
Of course, let's get drawing. Right, so we've got our paper and we've got our marker or something to draw with.
Or something to draw with.
Yeah, so first of all, let's start his head. I think, we're going to draw the shape of his head first. So we're going to just start up the top of his head. Now we're going to leave a little gap because we're going to draw a trunk and that later. So first of all, we're going to draw a nice round shape like this. Just like that. Yeah, we'll leave a little space in there. We're going to draw his trunk. So first of all, we're going to draw a little V up there. So that is the end of his trunk, or his opening. And then all we do is going to draw a line here that connects this side up to here. And it's going to be a nice bit of a curve down and then a curve up and join to that line there. Yeah, and then we'll do the same on the other side. Nice curve going up there like that, and it just continues a little bit like that. Alright, so that's his trunk and his head. Now let's draw his ears. Now he's an elephant, so he's got quite big ears, and they're just two big circles. A part of the circle is actually behind the head, so you don't see that, but we just draw it a nice shape like that. So quite big, and do another one next to that. Yeah, like that, very good. And now we're going to draw the details on his face. So let's draw his eyes. We're going to do two eyes in the middle here. So we'll draw one eye here like that, and then draw another one next to that, just a little bit lower. Yeah, good job. And then we can put another two circles in there, which is his pupils for his eyes, like that. Very good. And let's draw his mouth. So it's a big smiley mouth. Kind of looks like a banana there as well. Now with the mouth, you can do a couple of things. You can leave that open. You can draw his tongue. I think quite often when he smiled, you see his teeth. So in that shape, I'm just going to draw another. I'm going to use a thinner pen, draw a straight line across, and then do 3 lines going up like that. So it looks like he's smiling with his teeth. And you've done his tongue, so that's awesome. Next part, of course, he's got rosy cheeks, just like all of the characters there. I'm going to draw a nice circle there, and we'll colour that in later. Yeah, very good. Alright, and the last little bit of detail we're going to do is on his trunk. So he's got a couple of lines on his trunk, which is actually the folds in his trunk. So you think about an elephant, when he moves his trunk, it bends up. So it creates little curves or little lines. It's just like on your finger. When you bend your finger, you've got little lines there as well. Yeah. Okay, so there we go. There's Edmond Elephant's head. Let's draw the rest of his body. His body's simple. It's just a nice big circle. Yeah, and quite a bit of the circle is actually hidden behind his head there. So let's draw that. Very good.
Small body with a big head.
Yeah, that's fine. All right, so let's draw his arms. And it's just a nice, easy stick figure. And we draw one on the other side as well. Now on this side here, you can start the line inside the body because this is the arm on the front. There we go. And let's draw his tail. It's just a simple tail like that. And it's got at the end a few little bits like that. Good job. Alright, so let's draw his feet. And feet are nice and simple. It's just a little oval like that, and then we draw a line up to his body there. And we'll do the same on the other side. A little oval. And this on the line, just like the arm, you can actually continue that into the body there because that's the leg in the front. Okay, so there we go. We've finished drawing Edmond Elephant. Now it's time to colour in. And we're back. So we've finished colouring in and I think they look really great. Are you happy with yours?
Yes.
Awesome. I think you did a wonderful job there. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you followed along and had lots of fun. Check out our channel. We've got lots of other Peppa Pig characters and drawings for you to enjoy. But thanks again for watching and we'll see you again next time.
Bye.